Yeshua gang. What's good, YouTube? You already know who it is. It's your boy, Yeshua gang. And today we'll be working on the DSM, otherwise known as the Mitsubishi Eclipse 2nd generation. Now, I just want to let you guys know a little bit about this history right now. It's just that this car has come a long way, man. This thing has had some piston blow by from cylinder 1, and so the head came off, and long story short, we got another replacement motor to overhaul into this one, but first we gotta make sure that that motor is even worthy of going in. So what we're going to be doing today is removing pulleys and the timing covers to get to see the timing belt at the end, and that's just basically what you guys are in for. So grab your chips, grab your salsa, let's do it. Alright, so there's two tensioner bolts. One's right there, one's right there. Got another 12mm. These are both the same size. Another 12mm right there, that's the tensioner. And then this one right here, it looks like it's the shortest one. Everybody always strips that one for some reason. Be careful. One more thing, here's the pulley that it's got to be on. Can clear motor mount. It's a good idea to clean up while you can. Alright, next up, we're gonna have to get that bolt right there. And the only way to do that is to impact these off. I mean, you don't have to have an impact, it just takes a really long time. Right? This kind of stuff gets really boring when you need to go get a bunch of other tools, but if you're lucky, you'll have the tools you need. That's pretty much it. Just put that off. There's 3 bolts on there. You gotta rebuild this one anyway. Don't forget to put the bolts back where they go, so you don't lose them, because you'll lose them or you'll forget. You might not. You might have done this for a long time, but yeah, I'm a noob, so I'm actually gonna put this one here too. Anyway, now we gotta get that bolt out, which I believe is a 10mm. Let's check it. Ooh, it's a super tight fit. There's a bolt down there though. Alright, so got that one out. This little smaller set, it's a 10mm, and now there is a little it's like a wiring harness thing. Hold it in there, you just bend a little metal. Literally, that's what it's for. And you just move it out of the way, and you can see that 10mm bolt. And we're gonna make some quick work of that. This little impact. Ooh, did not sound good. Drop the bolt. Drop the bolt from up top. And you're just gonna move this guy out of the way. It's completely broken. That sucks. See that it's broken. So probably just gonna keep that part off because that looks like it'd be a pain in the ass anyway. see that, but just gonna move this thing out of the way. Pair the bolts. I already know where this one was from. This is from the top here. So it needs all that extra because it's got a bunch of brackets on it. And then this one was the one that we just removed. Yo, another tip. Get yourself some of these clip removal tools. Actually, this one's actually the only one that's labeled clip removal tool. This is from Walmart. It's like $4.44 or something like that. There's no reason not to buy it. Super cheap. But anyway, the reason why this one's actually even cheaper is it's called a tacker remover. I was just walking through one of the aisles and I saw one of these. I thought it was a different one, but it's just the same one, just put somewhere else. The reason why you want these things is because I'm trying to salvage this clip down here. Can't even see it. I'm trying to salvage this clip, and this one won't work. I thought it was going to work, but now we get the Big Daddy out, and hopefully Big Daddy will be able to get him out. Looks like he's going to get it out. Yep, there we go. Anyway, the clip is not broken, and I have a salvaged clip now. Sorry, cameraman. I'm a bad cameraman. Anyway, if you can see it now, it's just loose. I just gotta figure out how to get it out from under here. Probably gonna have to lift up the car. Yeah. Get yourself some clip removal tools. Get yourself different ones. Don't just be stuck on one, because you never know when you're gonna need all of them. Here's how I got that impact, so I can take them out without stripping them. And then I got the impact behind that one for the ones that literally won't come off. And then I got that one if I really want to just, you know, be a lazy man. It's actually really helpful. Get one of those too. Alright, last one. Last pulley. First one's here. And we're good to go. Boop-a-doop-a-doo. So the way that sits though is this little guy, obviously you just loosen the first one. If it's stuck, just loosen the second one. It should just fall open like that. And then this belt sits on the inside of the harmonic balancer, and then it goes here. Then it goes to the AC compressor, and if you want to tighten it up, you just move it. You get like a tool. You get a pry bar. $5, $3 to $4 from Harbor Freight. You get a pry bar and you pull on this, and then you tighten that one. That's it for now. Okay guys, let's get back to it. We're almost done here. Got one bolt there, one bolt behind the harmonic balancer, a couple of bolts down here. We got to get the harmonic balancer off. I'm going to try it with this little impact. It's a pretty puny impact, but let's see if it works. It's definitely not coming off. So I'm going to go to Big Daddy right here. Alright, so I didn't exactly have a socket to get on there, but I found this old, I think it's a 1/2 inch, and I guess it's a 12, a little bit larger, so I just put a glove in there, and then I put the bolt on, zipped it off with the impact. Anyway, all the bolts are off, and sometimes it's really hard to get off, but this one's really easy. The reason why I'm replacing this is because it's clearly not good anymore. It's losing a lot of its absorption rubber. So now that we got that, we're good to go. Now we can start taking off all these stupid bolts. Just a little peek of this thing. Used to be really nice. This thing used to have some nice 2.7, actually probably 280 cams. Long story short, I had some blow by, so I took the head off, took the pistons out. One of the piston rings, cylinder number 1, this one right here, was actually, the ring was upside down. Here's what's going to be going into it. It's another 95. I purchased it off of a app called Let Go for $375. The previous owner told me that this was a 98 to 99, but if you look right here,
It's clearly a 95 CAS cam angle sensor. I didn't know that until I pulled off all these basically the timing covers. And the reason why I thought it might have been was because I didn't see anything at the 2GB. I thought the 2GB CAS, I thought that maybe they just parted out with it, but anyway, you know, you live and you learn. Regardless, this thing is definitely still going to go in there. I don't have a head to put on this turd right here, but basically this is what's going to replace all that. The block is actually apart because the pistons are out. That's one reason why I knew that one of the piston rings is upside down. And yeah, hopefully that you guys will enjoy these videos that are up to come, because got quite a few projects, to be honest. 95 Celica, 2000 Subaru, all-wheel drive. It's the only reliable thing that I own right now. This was reliable, but the clutch was slipping, so anyway, the reason why I'm posting these videos is because well, people are afraid to work on their cars, and you know, I understand why you would be. There's a lot of stuff, a lot of bolts. But really, you know, if you just practice at the junkyard, taking some of these things apart, you won't be scared. Anyway, holla at your boy, Old School Funk. I wouldn't have even like tried to do any of this if I didn't see many of your videos. And God bless, man, because you're really helping a lot of people, including me. Anyway, guys, that's it for now. I'm gonna go take a break because I just literally got done doing all that crap. Taking off that flywheel. Yeah, pretty much. I'm gonna take a break for today, but yep. Stay tuned.